Hello everyone! Today is one of your favorite topics, instant karma and justice. Let's get right to the episodes. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Your comments and criticisms are always welcome. This is the result of someone tailgating and being impatient trying to cut across 2 lanes of traffic to go around people.
Somebody get the body bags. We gon' put the beats in on that. I'm eating them. Get away from the table. You rappers ain't hungry enough.
The result of overtaken through a solid line. Drunk driver goes the wrong way on Fry Street in Denton, Texas and gets instant karma.
In the middle of the night.
The girl decided to go around all the traffic, but she didn't think the police were behind her. The recording of the video started later than the speeding driver had passed.
Okay, Carmen, say video. Let's get pacing up and not to light you up. Any second now. Here it goes. And then the idiot pulls on the left side of the road instead of the right.
One of the drivers was angry and therefore decided to block the road to the author and pedestrians, but his maneuver was ignored by the police. Note the red Ford Explorer that turned a red light in front of the police.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Go get him!
Continue for 2 hours.
Get him! Get him! Go get him! Go get him! That puppy do that right here, dude. Come on. Damn! I need to on him.
Thanks for the question. While I'm in process of restoring monetization, I'm not paying my narrator. The man has volunteered to do pro bono voiceovers. Thank you very much for that. At this point, thanks to subscribers, I already have a huge list of people who want to try this role. If you want to be in that list too, you can send me a message to the email I wrote to you in response to this comment. Thank you for your questions and for watching that video. Good luck everyone.